ब्यूटीफुल पीपल व्हाट्सअप, आई होप यू आर डूइंग रियली ग्रेट। एंड आई नो आज मेरा फेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्लैंक लग रहा है, एकदम ब्लैंक कैनवस जैसा, बिकॉज मैंने मेकअप किया ही नहीं है। जस्ट मैंने लिपस्टिक लगाया है, फाउंडेशन लगाया, इधर उधर थोड़ा सा कंसीलर, दैट्स इट। एंड टुडेज वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्पेशल, क्योंकि जो आईब्रोज, आई मेकअप और मैंने फेस पे कुछ भी डेफिनेशन नहीं दिया है, आई मीन कॉन्टूर, ब्लश एंड हाईलाइटर कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है। तो ये सब मैं करने वाली हूँ बाय यूजिंग just one palette. Yes, you heard right, only one palette and you can do your whole face and eye makeup. So yeah, now without wasting our time, let's just jump into the video right now. So today we are going to discuss about this beautiful palette right here, and we are going to do makeup using this palette, only one palette, and it has so many uses. So this palette is from You Can Be, and the name itself speaks a lot about it. It is pretty all set. I'm quite excited to discuss about this palette because when I found out this palette, my search for good palette was literally over. So I'm damn in love with this palette. I'm literally in love with this palette. Alright, first thing first, let's just talk about its outer packaging, and it's very beautiful. You can see this multi-chrome reflexes coming through this front side, and it has pretty all set name written over here and brand name You Can Be. On the back side of this palette, you will see same kind of reflexes coming through, and all details about ingredient list, how many colors you will get in this palette, all details you want to know about this palette it is mentioned on the back side. Also, the shelf life of this palette is 3 years, which is very good. Okay, so now let me just show you how it is looking from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. It also has some white reflex, and on the back side also you will see white reflex, and on the front side you will see brand name and palette name mentioned. And if you open it, you will find treasure. Let me show you. So basically it is 3 in 1 palette, and you will get 86 shades in this palette. So yeah, this palette will get 3 sections like this, and one section is warm up, another one is light up, and the third one is color splashes. So yeah, in this warm up section you will get some nudes, neutrals, and some brown colors, cool tone, warm tone, everything you want in this palette. And in light up you will get some amazing pressed glitters. By the way, they don't have any glue underneath or anything waxy texture underneath. It is very good, and you don't need to apply any glue beneath your glue, sorry, glitter, when you apply it on your eyelids. And in this light up section you will get two contour shades, two blush shades, and two highlighter shades, and these colors are bomb, and they are very we will say, we can say we have variety of colors in this light up section. And what I'm gonna say about this section, this one is my favorite. As you know, I'm very much into colors more than nudes and neutrals. So yeah, I love this section. You will see many colors, means orange shade, red shade, yellow shade, green, blues, purples, everything you want, it is right here. So basically you want blush, highlighter, contour, bronzer, eyeshadows, colors, pastels, mattes, highlighters, glitters, shimmers, you name it, you have it in this palette. And that's it. I purchased this palette from Cuffs and Lashes around 5-6 months back, and after that I'm just using this palette so frequently in my every tutorial video. I think I have used this palette a lot of time, either for blush or for contour or for eye makeup. Definitely price of this palette is quite a bit at higher side. I can see, okay, it's not affordable that much, but if you invest in this palette, then you will get bronzer slash contour, blush, highlighter, and so many neutrals, cool and warm tones, so many color shades in this one palette only. So you don't need to buy any more palettes or contour, blushes, highlighters for you. So I think one time investment in this palette is definitely a good deal. So yeah, and now I don't want to talk about this palette. I just want to show you guys how it is actually looking on my face. So let's just start our tutorial. I'm going to use black shade from this palette, and I'm doing my brows. So far we have done eyebrows, and we are moving ahead with eye looks. I have decided to show you guys two looks today. On one I am going to show you a neutral or nude kind of a look. On another I am going to show you guys a colorful look, because I want to show you how colorful this palette is. These colors are so pigmented, and it's summer. So let's see what we can do or how we can play with colorful look. I have prepped my eyes using concealer, and I'm going to go ahead with a brown shade. And first I'm going to pat this brush, and I'm going to, and once it is packed, I'm going to blend this color like this. I'm just using a very light weight on this brush. I'm going to blend this at the outer V of my eye. Now I'm going to use a deeper brown shade at the outer V of my eye, and I'm going to intensify this shade. So far these colors are very easily blendable and very pigmented. I'm just using it a very little bit amount, and they are showing up on my eyes a lot. Now I have taken a brownish which has a pinkish undertone color, and it is shimmer, and I'm going to apply from inner corner of my eye to mid section of my eye. Now I'm going to take black shade, and I'm going to do a smoke out, a very thin liner near my this lash line. I'm not going to take this black shade in this area, means inner area of my lash line. I'm going to take it from midway to the end. Now I'm going to take same shade I use at the outer V, the darker one. I'm going to apply this on my lower lash. I have applied some kajal on my lower lash line and upper lash line till midway, and this is I have done full length. And for this eye makeup look, I have used section from this palette which is warming up, and now we are going to take some highlighter shade from the middle section which is light up, and I'm going to apply this at my inner corner and my eyebrow line. Now we are done with one eye look, and now let's just move to my favorite colorful look. So for second look, I have decided to go for blue because obviously I love blue, and I have here this very beautiful blue top. So yeah, let's just do second eye look. I'm taking lavender shade, and I'm going to place that shade at outer V of my eye, and after that we are going to blend that. Now I'm taking a vibrant blue color, and I'm going to place that at a very close to my outer V. And using lavender shade, I'm going to blend these two colors. I'm taking a very less amount of lavender shade to blend that vibrant blue color. Now I'm taking foil infused a vibrant blue color, and I'm placing that at the mid section of my eye. Now I'm taking a white highlighter shade from the middle section light up, and I'm going to place that shade under this area. And now to balance out these two looks, like this black eyeshadow as a diffuse eyeliner, I'm going to use a cherry red color, as I have this color in this top right here, and I really want to use it as a eyeshadow. So I'm going to start with mid of this eye. I'm going to diffuse it throughout this waterline till the end of my eye. So firstly, I'm going to place this diffuse eyeliner shade, which is cherry red. I love it. And I'm going to place that at the outer V of my eye, just like this. I'm taking it inside. See guys, even though we have blue color underneath red, it is popping up on my eye. Now quickly just do lower eye, and I'm going to take mixture of lavender and vibrant blue color, and I'm going to blend that color on the outer V of lower lash. Now let's just do face, and I'm going to do contour, blush and highlighter, and we are going to finish this look right here. So let's start with contour first. I'm going to use a very light shade from the light up section, and I'm going to place this color just right here. Like that. So you can see it has quickly added a warmth to my face, and I'm going to do some contour in this area also. Now I'm taking a very light shade from this light up section of blush, and I'm going to apply my blush. I like to apply blush on my nose also, and my very little bit amount on my chin. On this side of my face, I'm going to use a golden highlighter, and on this side I'm going to use a white highlighter from this palette itself. So we have two highlighters here, one is golden, another is silvery shade. So yeah, let's just apply it. So we are done with eye looks, and I'm going to set my face using setting spray off camera, and I'll come back. Alright you guys, so we have done with looks, and I just want to give you a quick review, a mini quick review. So all the colors are very pigmented. I want to show you guys glitters, though they have 3 glitters in this shade, in this palette, and I don't very much like it. That is the con of this palette. I just want to show you guys right here. So we have this golden shade, but yes, the reason why I don't like glitters in this palette is I think you need to layer up a lot when you use glitters, and personally I'm not really fan of glitters, so I don't like it. But anyway, there are only 3 shades, red and golden, and one is a very beautiful lavender purplish shade. It has lilac shade, I guess, lilac, and I don't know, it has a very multi-chrome kind of a look. So yeah, but I don't like it. And apart from this 3 shades, we have total 86 shades, and apart from 3 shades, 83 shades are literally very beautiful, and they are highly pigmented. You can see on this eye, this red, it is literally popping up, and it is screaming my name. And even though I have applied this on the blue, it is looking very pretty, and it is popping up on my eye, even though there is a underneath layer of blue. So yeah, you can see guys, it is how much pigmented. About fall off of some colors, yeah, we can ignore that if you're getting a very pigmented, because it's not like that we get a lot of fallout on the palette and on eyes. If you tap off excess, definitely you can work, and you get a little bit fallout problem, but that is totally we can ignore it, because there is no as such a dramatic fallout like you see Makeup Revolution palettes, and you get a lot of fallout in palettes and on eyes everywhere. So I don't think, means I have a Makeup Revolution reloaded palette, and I see some fallout problem, a big fallout problem, but in this palette you will not see that much. You can work with it definitely. If you want to buy this palette, definitely I'm going to share links in the description box below, and you will get this palette from Cuffs and Lashes, Flipkart and Amazon. And That's it for the today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, you know the drill. Like, comment and share. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. You know why? Because when I upload new video for you, you will get notification and updates from me that I have uploaded new video for you guys. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.